All right, we've got a 1999 Nintendo 64 complete in box here, where we will provide what's in its entirety. So, with this one, it has the foam inserts. That's a start. We've got the poster, instruction or information manual, warranty, and then obviously instruction booklet. And this all came in a plastic sleeve. Then we have the console, which does come with red label on one side, but not on the other side. So this is in quite good condition, as you can tell. Very good for its age. And then we have the controller, which does also come with, again, the red writing bag, but also another bag. It comes with two bags, and you zip ties as well. And then you've got your AV with an open bag and a long power cable with both ends open. So that is the complete in-box Nintendo 64.